Hey guys, for today's video, we will be having our first unboxing, demo plus review of this product, XN8030, which is a blackhead and whitehead remover. Here it is! Ta-da! Please keep on watching. So I had to do a separate video for the demo part because my father wasn't available the other day to test the product. He has a lot of whiteheads than I do, so I think he is the perfect person to test the device. Thankfully, he agreed, so let's proceed to the demo. So here are my thoughts on this device. I actually tested the product as well, and as you have seen in the demo part, a lot of whiteheads were extracted. It is important to steam your face first 10 to 15 minutes before using the device so that your pores will open up and you can easily extract what needs to be extracted. Just a tip, for me, when I tested the device, I actually got bruises on my nose. But you can't see it clearly because I covered it with foundation and concealer, and it's because I used the maximum gear adjustment, which is 5. So I think it is better if you use the level 3 only and below, and just carefully use the device on your face or whatever. And yeah, trouble. Is this device worth buying? Definitely yes. This device costs 450 pesos only on Shopee, and I will post the link of the shop on the description box below. Make sure to check that out. Price is cheaper compared to getting a monthly facial treatment, which costs around 300 to 500 pesos. It's not painful at all, and it is very effective in extracting the blackheads and whiteheads on your face. And you can even exfoliate and use it for your daily skincare. Just make sure to read the manual first before using the device. Now, if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to click the subscribe button below. And thanks so much for watching. See you again soon in our next videos. Bye!